Yeah, so guys, the story about the story about the court case I had, okay? I was telling a story in Akana about a court case. Now, I'm somebody who believes in, being good to my neighbors because my neighbors are good to me. I have a neighbor who sells cassava dough. She sells it in sacks, okay, big sacks, okay, like number 4. Those who know sizes of sacks, okay. So let's say the sugar sack, okay. So she sells the things in the sugar sack sizes. Now, I observed, a theft case involving, a disabled person, okay, a guy who looks disabled, but not disabled in abilities, okay. Then the person's disability in account, we call it apache, okay, like the legs are like this, okay. You see the legs are like this, and then the hand is also twisted. So when he's walking, this is how he walks. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So I saw this particular guy stealing this item. So when my neighbor was asking, the way things were, I thought like he went to buy or so I didn't blow any alarm. But later on, when I was hearing about theft, I realized that no, that guy is a prime suspect because I actually saw him. So I told my neighbor that, hey, I saw somebody of this nature stealing or carrying your item, and he believes, or he notified me that he never sold such a thing to that person. So definitely it was that person that stole the thing. So the issue went to court, and then the guy was there, and I had to come and be a witness. So in a witness box, I witnessed all that I saw. So I told the judge, and then the person also had to speak. The accused had to also speak. Then he said that in his defense, okay, he said that there was no way he could have been the one who stole the thing, because actually the judge himself should look at his state, his physical state, whether he'll be able to carry a sack of cassava dough. A person whose leg is like this and whose hand is like this, definitely you wouldn't believe you'll be able to steal, okay? So what happened was that he defended that based on his physical stature, there was no way he could steal the thing. So the judge told him that, yeah, the way he is looking at the thing himself, he believes that I am just trying to, divert attention or defame him or something. So then he will have to find a way to compensate him and then let him go, so that the judge, will handle me. Hey, I said, yeah, Charlie, my heart was beating. Charlie, I don't have anything. Okay, and looking at the way things are going, if they should send me to jail now for even 1 or 2 years or whatever for defamation, it's going to waste my time. So Charlie, my heart was beating, beating. My armpit was hot to the extent that even if you put an egg under my armpit, it would have cooked it. Seriously, I can't lie to you, it's true. So the judge said, okay, I never knew that the judge had arranged for a bag of cassava dough, okay? So he asked them to bring the cassava dough into the room, and then he told the man that, hey, he has seen that I, being the witness, is just trying to defame him. So to prevent everything, he's just giving the bag of cassava dough to him, and then he should go, and then the judge, will handle me for trying to defame him. So all I realized was that the cripple, so I would say a cripple, his form of disability is a cripple. So the cripple told him that he thanked him, he appreciated the judge, and then he got closer to the bag of cassava dough. Hey, my brother, my sister, if you see the kind of skill this person used to raise the bag of cassava dough to his shoulder, you will be surprised. So there, I thought the judge was done. So after doing that, after carrying the thing, rolling the thing to his shoulder, the judge told him that, hey, pause. Gentlemen, were you not the one who said you couldn't have been the one who stole the cassava dough because of your physical nature? The man was there. He was stranded. Charlie, if you see me happy this morning, this was it too. So this particular trick of the judge enabled me to win the case in the court. So the guy was actually the one who stole it. Yeah. So I'll bring you more gist as it comes. All right.